Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica, and in today's video I'll be sharing what I picked up for the $10 Goodwill challenge. This challenge is hosted by Kimberly Davis of A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. So I do have a link below to Kimberly's channel as well as to the playlist. In this challenge, we are asked to pick up an item or items of decor for $10 or less from a charity shop, Goodwill, thrift store, flea market, wherever, and use it as decor in our home and show how we've used the piece. I picked up this very heavy, very large turkey terrine. I think he is absolutely stunning, and I'll show you what I've done with him. And this is where I use my cute little turkey. He sits on top of my china cabinet along with a little row of pictures. And here's a duck on the other side. I've got a lantern. There are two little planters of ivy that I picked up from Walmart a couple months ago. They were clearance for 50 cents, and I just love having real plants. So I use those in my decor. So that's where my turkey lives, right there on top of my china cabinet. You can't even see him, he blends into the wall. And that's it for my video. Do check out the link below for the playlist and go through and see what other beautiful things that everyone else picked up for this challenge. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell for notification of new video uploads. As always, have a lovely day. Bye-bye.